It's a 2012 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, rear parking sensors, driver memory seats, remote engine start, integrated navigation system, power sliding and tilting sunroof, wireless phone connectivity, and power heated mirrors. The Car Connection reports GM has carved out good space inside a tidy package and fitted the Terrain with very comfortable front bucket seats and a rear bench with enough support. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional grade tool. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
From sales to service to parts and collision repair, call or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 1701 North Mitchell Street in Cadillac, Michigan.